What does she have right there? What is that? I can't tell if that's a gun or not.
Get out. Get out.
Get out the way, sir! Get out the way! Sir, get out the way! Clear, clear. Sir, get back here. Back here. Now.
Please don't shoot her.
Get back, get back. Get back here, get back. Get
Please
back.
don't shoot her.
Get back. I cannot tell that. Get back, sir, get back. I want you to get back. Hey, watch that door. Watch that in.
Get back inside. Get back inside.
Hey.
Marissa. Get back inside. Marissa.
I told you we wouldn't give up on you. My partner Eric again is trying to call you. Try to get to that phone and answer it so that he can give you instructions on how to safely come out. He'll stay on the phone with you and help you out of the house. But you have to answer that phone.
Larissa, please come to the garage and talk to me over the security camera or call me on your phone.
Larissa, this is Richard. Can you please call my cell phone? Can you please listen to what the officers say and do what they say? Nobody's trying to hurt you, and there's no reason for anyone to get hurt. Can you please, for me, listen to what they have to say, do what they ask. Please put your gun down. Don't have your gun anywhere near you when you do anything. I can take this home.
Show me your hand! Show me your hand! Owen! She's moving her hand around. Show me your hand! Alright, nothing in her hand. She put the gun behind the fucking right. Hey, Larissa, come out now! Larissa, come out now! Come out now! Keep your hands up! Keep your hands up!